Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Spoiling Me by Powledge on guitar today. I'm trying to make this easy for you guys. There's a lot of picking involved, but it repeats and repeats and repeats. If you sit with it for a little bit, you will get the hang of it. So first off, the most important thing is you're going to have to tune down your guitar whole step. So you're going to be wanting to play in the key of D rather than E. So you'll just tune each one down a whole step, and you will put your capo on the first fret like so, and this is going to get us in the right key of the song. So first off, there are 4 different chords you're going to be playing, and I tabbed out the song for you guys, and it is in the bio, so if you want to check that out you can follow along. You're going to be playing C, there's going to be a C over B, there's going to be an F, and then there will be a G, but since we're picking, we're really only playing 3 different strings, so it's going to be a little simpler. So for the C, we are going to put our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret on the 5th string, and then we're going to put our 1st finger on the 2nd string where the C is, and you'll be playing those two, the 2nd string and the 3rd string, with the bass note on the C. So it'll be like that. So you'll be playing those 3 strings. Then we're going to move down to the C over B. So we will have our 2nd finger come in, and you're just going to move that from the 3rd finger down to the 2nd finger right here, and everything about the other 2 strings stays the same. So just like that. Now going to the F, you are going to move basically all your fingers. So 1st finger is going to go on the 6th string 1st fret where that F is, and then that 2nd finger will go back on that C where it was before, but you're just rearranging your fingers here. So you'll be playing that as well with those 2 strings down here again. And then last but not least, we have the G. So we're going to put our 3rd finger down on the 6th string 3rd fret right there, and that 1st finger is going to stay right on that C. Just like so. So basically that's just going to repeat. It plays the intro about twice, and then it goes into 3 sections of the song. There's 3 different verses, and there's kind of a lot of words. I honestly struggled getting all the words because there's so many of them, but this is what it'll sound like just for the intro. And then you would play that again to complete the intro, and then you go right into verse 1, verse 2, and verse 3. I'm telling you, that's the exact same chord pattern for the entire song. So I believe that's really it. Like, it's a very simple chord pattern. You may have to sit with it for a little bit and practice singing the words with it, but I will play the whole song for you all so you guys can hopefully play along. I have it tabbed out in the bio, so just click on that and you can hopefully follow right along and make your life a little easier. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see y'all next time. Elegance and ebony, daisies on the mantle, you're meeting my family, lighting up candles, introduce your mom to me, I wear your flannel, you ask me to dance, no, I always will. There are flowers and postcards, handwritten notes, white tablecloths and the warmth of your coat, bracelets and patience, driving me home, we're in love, and everyone knows, 'cause you're spoiling me. You're spoiling me. Laughing at your TV screen, with you I binge, I can't watch anything if I know the end. We watch what you want, I said I didn't care, you're stealing the blankets 'cause you know you can. I speechless at episode 10 until you let it slip that my favorite's dead. I'm beyond pissed off, you don't understand, it's an honest mistake, I guess, but you spoiled it for me. You spoiled it for me. If I ask you for space, you write 7-page letters. I used to think that meant I couldn't do better. You blow up at me, then you pay for my dinner. Used to think that meant I wound up the winner. Front after front, I was taught to forgive. You bought me to rot on the shelves of your fridge. Keep me around till you're hungry enough, but my face has gone gray there.